Oh my goodness, guys, I am so excited. I can't even tell you. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have a very special unboxing today, something a bit different. I got myself some roller skates, some quad skates. Oh my goodness, I've got to tell you the story, okay? So I don't know if you follow my communities page. I share a little bit more about my life on the communities page, just outside of the perfume world. I shared that I went to a roller disco party with some friends, and it was my friend's cousin's birthday, and I was so excited to go. It was just something so different. Like, I always get invited to like nightclubs, and I hate nightclubs, I really do. And I'm just like so over it, and I've just told my friends, don't invite me anywhere unless it's something interesting, like let's go out for dinner or a concert or a festival or roller skating. It was so fun. When I got there, I kind of thought, oh my goodness, the last time I roller skated was about 20 years ago. Like, seriously, I think I must have been about like 24, 25, I can't remember. I'm 40 now. And it was at ROLLERNATION in Vauxhall. Well, ROLLERNATION closed down and they've moved all the way to North London, and it's really far actually. I think the nearest tube station is Bruce Grove. But oh my goodness, if you live in London, check it out. Check out ROLLERNATION. It's a website. I'll put it somewhere. Anyway, when I got there, I was like, the atmosphere was like amazing. It was like really, really fun. There was a mixture of all ages, and I mean that. So, you know, there was young and there were the older crowd as well. And oh my goodness, I was just like excited, and then the nerves just came over me. I was like, hold on a minute, I don't want to be dropping at 40. I don't want replacement knee surgery, ankle surgery, butt surgery. You know what I mean? So I kind of got a little bit frightened. I was like, oh my god, should I be doing this? You know, I haven't fallen down for a very long time, you know. And I suppose when you get older, you kind of, you know, develop this kind of fear of falling, and you know, you just kind of disconnect from your childhood. And I'm all about connecting with it in a childhood and just doing something new and exciting. And if you fall, you know, pick yourself back up and keep it moving. And there is so much health and safety gear available. You know, you've got knee pads and wrist pads and helmets. Anyway, so I got the skates, right, and they were so comfortable, but I just couldn't remember anything. I really couldn't. I didn't know how to stand in them. And when you look around, there was like everybody else was trying to figure out the same thing. Like, there was like professional skaters, and there were people that were rookies like me, or rookies but people that had kind of just like forgotten how to skate over the years. So nowadays in London, you normally see more like inline skaters or skateboarders. So it took me an hour to practice. Like, there was like a practice area where the bar was. So, you know, people were falling or just figuring out how to just like maneuver on the skates before they went on the actual roller rink. So I kind of got some professional help from the security guards that were working there. They're in roller skates, and they have to move around the rink, the roller rink, to make sure that everyone's safe and that everyone keeps moving around, you know, so there's no casualties. And there were a few casualties, but there wasn't as many as you'd think there would be. And the casualties were people that couldn't skate, and they were just in the wrong area of the rink and they lost their balance. Anyway, with a little bit of encouragement from the friends at the birthday party, they all encouraged me to get on the roller rink, because they were figuring out as well, they want professional skaters. They were just up for the challenge. And after an hour of practicing, I finally went on the roller rink, and I'm telling you, there was like a euphoria just coming through me. I just got this happy vibe. I just said, this is for me. This is something that I need to master. Now, when I was a kid, I won't be long, I will unbox my roller skates soon, okay? But when I was a kid, I loved roller skating. I used to go down to my sister's area where she lived. My sister's much older than me. I think she's 62 now, and her kids are like the same age as me or a bit older. My mum had me late in life, you know. I was that special surprise baby. 16 years between me and my next sibling. Anyway, we used to, like, in the summer holidays and the weekends, we used to like practice roller skating. And I remember having that fear of falling, and they said, no, you've got to put on one roller skate and just go around. So we used to put one roller skate on one foot and then we used to have our trainers on or our pumps on, and we would skate around the block over and over again until we were so confident in this one skate that we put on 2 skates. And that's literally how I learned to skate, and it was so fun. Even falling down was fun those days. I asked my mum, please, 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 mum, please, can I get some roller skates? And I'm talking about quad skates, which is totally different to inline skates, which kind of came into fashion in the 90s. I think it was the late 80s or the early 90s. I didn't want those. I loved ice skating. Like, inline skates are kind of similar to the effect of ice skating, but I really wanted quad skates. And she went to a store to get it for my birthday as a surprise, and unfortunately on my birthday, when I opened the box, I was so upset to get these inline skates, and I looked so ungrateful. And oh, it's so sad really, because my mum did her best, but you know when you're a kid and you just have this dream of what you want, and when you get it, it's completely opposite. And what happened was the guy had convinced my mum to get the inline skates because he said, look, quad skates are out of fashion, you know, you'll be doing your daughter a favour. So I mean, I wore them, and I suppose it made me a better ice skater, but I always wanted to have quad skates, and I don't know why I never bought them for myself. I have no idea. I went to ROLLERNATION in my 20s, and it was so much fun, but I don't know what it is actually. I don't know. But anyway, I've been totally re-inspired, and I just have like goosebumps thinking about it. I've been going on YouTube videos, like studying, and when I get like that, I know what I'm like. That's it. I'm just in it. I'm in it to win it. So let me unbox. I just wanted to share that story. And so I saw these skates online. I wanted these teal. I love turquoise or teal colours, and yeah, I would say that these are turquoise skates, and they are suede, and my foot is a size UK 8 and semi-wide. Sometimes when I buy wide fit shoes, they are too big, and sometimes they're just perfect. So I'm kind of in between. So I bought a size 8, which is a size 9 US, which kind of is like a size 8 stroke 8.5 UK. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, I'll write it somewhere. These are from SkatePro. SkatePro.com or .co.uk. Anyway, let's open. I'm so excited. I can't. And you know what? Today is absolutely beautiful. It's been raining like crazy, and it's a beautiful sunny day in March. I mean, it's beautiful and it's hot. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Right, let me put this down on the ground. You know, exercise is so important, and oh god, they're heavy. And it doesn't matter what type of exercise you like, whether it's yoga, boxing, kickboxing, swimming, skating, ice skating, whatever it is, you know, just really treat yourself to finding an exercise that you enjoy, because it just sends this beautiful adrenaline racing through the body when you find the right sport that you love. Oh my goodness, I cannot even tell you. I love walking through parks, but I'm just imagining myself now roller skating through the parks that I love across London, and I can't tell you how excited I am. I'm so excited. And you know what, at this roller disco there was so much flirting going on, like really like coy, kind of like cheeky flirting. There was this guy that was like roller skating backwards in front of me, and I was like roller skating in front of him, and we was like dancing to the music, and I was like it was just so, honestly. This ROLLERNATION is open 3 days a week, I think. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday is like a family fun day where the kids go, and then Thursday and Friday I think they have like boogie nights, like 70s, 80s and 90s, like club classics. I don't know, I need to do some more research. Anyway, these are the skates. I'm definitely going to put a time where I start to unbox. These are brilliant. I hope and pray what I saw on the website is exactly up my street. So these are, what are they called? Yeah, let's read together. These are Tempish sports activated skates. Tempish. Why is that? It's milled in Ethiopia. What? Oh, by purchasing this product you contribute 0.12 cents to build a mill in Ethiopia. They never said that on their website. That's Look at this. That's so positive. Right, let's open them. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can show you at the same time. Okay, let's open it. I haven't felt this type of excitement in a long time, honestly. I'm more excited opening this box than opening like perfume or beauty products. OMG. New skates for me. My inner child is like, we got them, Sharon. We got them. They smell good. Ooh, so these are leather. Oh my goodness, what a colour. Sexy, sexy. These are jazzy, man. They're quite heavy, but in a good way. Ooh, solid. Aluminium. Did I just get an electric shock? Oh my goodness. These are really snazzy. I might get some teal laces actually, like, or turquoise laces. But I do like the cream effect. Ooh. The nice embossed print. Tempish. Nessie star. Okay, these are called Tempish Nessie stars in suede. And I think they come in pink as well. I've got to try them on. If they don't fit, I'm going to cry. Because I've been told, well, when I went to ROLLERNATION, I told them, look, I'm a size 8, but let me just put you back up, sorry. Yeah, when I was at ROLLERNATION, I said to them, I'm a size 8, but I'm a little bit wide. And he said, no, 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 just take the size 8. It's probably like wear and tear, like people have broken into them so much. I don't think he was concerned. And they were so snug and comfortable. Pray for me, y'all. They are gorgeous. I like the fresh smell. They're brand new. Oh my goodness, the stoppers. I might have to adjust them. Let me see what the spin's like. Yeah, that one spins faster, that one doesn't. Yeah, they need a little bit of loosening. I need to get like a bolt loosener, is it? Bolt loosener? A spanner or something. Yeah. I'm just going to practice in my home. I think that's the safest option. Like washing up and going into the garden, and I'm going to just wear them in the house every day until these guards that I have. I've purchased these like suede toe guards because I want to keep these intact as much as possible. And once they arrive, then I'll take them outside. And there's so many places in this city to skate. Like there's a football court just around the corner. Oh, they fit. Oh. They fit. Oh my god, and pink laces as well. Ah! This is so fun. Pink laces. Yeah, so it's got the label. What does it say? Tempish company is operating on the inline skates market for more than 20 years. We are anxious about excellent quality of our products, and you can convince yourself about it. Our aim is that you ride on Tempish inline skates and recognize joy and advantages of inline skating. You know, I don't understand what that means. Inline skating is the skates with the wheels in a row. So I don't know what that means. Okay. The right foot is like the most perfect fit. The left foot is a good fit, but it's a little bit of tightness, but one foot is bigger than the other anyway. Oh, I feel alive. I'm so excited, guys. So anyway, I'm going to take you on this journey with me, and this will be in a separate kind of playlist. So it'll be my roller skating journey, how to roller skate with MZURILOVE. Anyway, some mooches. I'm excited. Bye.
Where you at?